So friends, let's see today's delicious and quick mushroom garlic rice. Now first we're going to prepare the rice. So I've taken 1 cup of basmati or any long grained rice in a bowl. We're going to wash it thrice under running water and then we're going to soak it in 3 cups of water for at least 15 minutes. So for this recipe, it is better that you use basmati or any long grained rice. After that, I'm going to take 3 cups of water and bring it to a boil. We're going to drain the water from the soaked rice. And once the water starts to boil, we're going to add this rice that we washed and soaked into this boiling water. Now we're going to boil this on a low to medium flame till the rice is just about cooked. So we want it to be parboiled. We don't want it to be mushy and soft. We don't want it to be raw, but it should be parboiled. So this took me exactly 5 minutes on a low to medium heat. After the rice is parboiled, we're just going to drain this into a colander and then we're going to let the rice come to room temperature. So you can see now that the grains of rice are nice and separated. Now you're going to wash your mushrooms really well under running water. This is about 200 grams of mushroom. That is a general, the pack that you get. You're going to just twist the stems. We're going to discard the stems. We're only going to use the bulb. So these are regular button mushrooms. And now we're just going to slice them thin and retain the brown part. Don't discard that. Just chop them up or slice them up thinly in this way. We're not going to chop it, but we're going to slice it. So in this way, we're going to slice all the mushrooms. This is a real quick recipe, guys. It took me about 30 minutes for the entire process, including soaking the rice and everything. Then I've taken a medium-sized onion and again I'm going to slice it thinly like this. And then just crush it up like that with your hands so that they all separate. Then I'm going to take 6 large cloves of garlic and I'm going to chop them really, really fine. And I'm also we're going to use 1 small capsicum that I've sliced fine, a little bit of coriander. In place of coriander, you can also use the spring onion greens. Now I've heated a pan and I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. We're not going to heat the olive oil. The minute you add the olive oil, you're going to add the mushrooms and saute them till they're light brown in color. The heating point of olive oil is very less, so you don't need to heat it up. The minute you add it to the pan, you add whatever you're going to be sauteing. So now the mushrooms have nicely become light brown in color. We're going to take them and set them aside in a bowl. Now in the same pan and the same oil, we're going to saute the garlic. Saute the garlic till it's nice and golden brown in color, like this. After that, add the sliced onions and saute the onions till they're nice and golden brown in color as well. Now we're going to add the capsicum. Don't fry the capsicum too much. We want it to have that crunch. And now you're going to add the sauteed mushrooms immediately. Mix everything really well together. And now you're going to add our rice. Now because we cook the rice in this way, all the grains are separated and they're not mushy. Mix everything well together. Now we just need to season it. Now in place of salt, I like to add these Maggie cubes. I'm adding the pure veg one. Just sprinkle it over. You can add it, you can add 1 or you can add 2 according to how the saltiness that you need, or you can add salt to taste. Then I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of black pepper powder. Mix everything really well. All I did is took the peppercorns, roasted them a bit and then ground them to a very fine powder in my dry mixer jar. So mix everything really well together. Now we're going to flavor it with some mixed Italian herbs, or you can use a pasta seasoning. This really adds a great flavor to this rice. And a little bit of chili flakes. Now if you don't have chili flakes, you can add Kashmiri red chili powder or paprika. And mix everything well together. And then you're just going to turn off the flame because everything is ready. And we've been cooking on a low to medium flame. And now all you have to do is garnish it with some lovely finely chopped coriander leaves, or you can also use spring onion greens. And our lovely mushroom garlic rice is all ready to enjoy. This is a great tiffin item, or just a quick lunch item.
see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also, by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshata's Recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way, whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye, take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.